Cool, cool, cool. Time to do some more Fusion 360. Alright. Well, we will start off with some internet surfing. Let's see what's new on Hacker News tonight. Uh-oh. Elon Musk getting stuff going against Apple. LastPass security incident. That doesn't sound good. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Fly Postgres. What is that? What is Fly? Not really something that I'm into. DoorDash lays off people. That's a bummer, but DoorDash sucks too. How's my streaming? Yeah, it seems okay. For many Windows, the hardest part is Widows mealtime. Why I am learning Category 3. I don't know who this guy is. Eh. The art of reading in the Middle Ages. That seems cool. Shark Tank. That's not gonna taste good. Do you look angry while you work? Yes, I look angry all the time. Not too much interesting there. Let's check out Twitter. Please don't fail me, Twitter. I've never seen this guy before. He's in a show called The Bear. I've only watched like 2 episodes. It's probably worth bookmarking. I have a dedicated bookmark for Sebastian Altanen. Steam Deck. Maybe I should get a Steam Deck. Let's see. Don't eat junk food. Well, that's going to be a problem. Eat real whole food. Get enough electrolytes. Sleep. Okay. Bookmarking that. That's like something I actually want to keep track of and follow up. So it goes into the notes. All my notes. Things to read. Alright. Enough Twitter. Time to do some CAD modeling. So where I left off yesterday was had this thing, and I had been looking at how to do some half lap joints, right? And or like I'd been designing it as though I was going to do half lap joints, but I don't think I want to do that because I would have to do it with a router. That's the only thing I have that would work for that. And like routing, that's like a lot of routing, and I don't think it really does much for me. So instead, what I think I'm going to do is do dowel joints, which let me see. Yeah. I'm gonna do dowel joints. So like dowel joint, where just butt the two surfaces together and with an input dowel pan, kind of like IKEA furniture is. Yeah. Gonna go the IKEA route. But the impact of that is that my layout here doesn't work. So I am going to start with a new design. Show my origins, do a sketch. Oh, yeah, do a sketch. Just gonna go ahead and create the pieces of wood. Okay. Add the dimensions. 0.75. Ooh. And then this one is 3.5. There's just the dimensions of the boards that I'm using, which I looked up. Let's hit save on this. I before E, right? I before E. Yeah, it just looks wrong. Alright. And then we are going to extrude that. Extrude. By 12 inches. Boom. Piece 1. Done. Save. Alright. And then the other... so then I need another piece. Just realized we don't have any music going. Gotta get the music going. Now, one thing I saw, I was looking around, is what was I thinking? Gran Salio, yeah. And I saw that this one said live stream. Listen, stream the track on streaming platforms. We need humanity. It's real time. I don't know what this is. Gonna have to look that up. Alright, so what is this? Can I listen to this on stream? I don't know, like, am I allowed to listen to this on stream? Oh, I'm probably reading this the wrong way. Stream the track on streaming platforms. What it means is, like, listen on all these different platforms. Bandcamp, that's probably pretty good. Yeah. Although I don't know why you would be advertising where to stream it when you're watching it on YouTube. Anyway, alright, whatever. No DMCA strikes on this channel, okay? Alright, anyway. So doing another piece, and this piece will be a slightly different size because how the butt joints will, or the dowel joints will work. The general idea is the same. And feel too little. We need humanity. We need kindness. I'm quoting lines from the song because it's so good. Alright. Finish sketch. Alright. And then this one we're going to extrude, but we want to do 12. Cancel. I don't know what just happened there. We want to do extrude, but what we want to do is we want to do 12 minus 2 of the width. So, like, 12 minus 7, so that's 5. We want 5 inches. And the reasons for that will be more clear once I start the assembly part. Okay. Alright. So now we can start a new assembly. I'm going to start a new assembly. I've got to save it first. Alright. So then we are going to... we have to do... insert in the current design. There we go. Alright, alright. And then... oh, is that actually what we wanted? Alright. I think I already missed. I'm not that great at this. Insert into... and then I think what I did is like, I was like... set pivot, and I did... no. I don't remember what I did. Oh well. I'm just going to leave it for now. And then... I'm going to go assemble the add the other piece, which was the short piece. Okay. And then what I'm going to do here is I just hit OK. I actually don't care because what I want to do is this joint thing. And then here, what do I want to do? I want to be like this face and this face. Nope, that didn't work. Joint. Like, okay. That put it at the center. Now what I want is that to be right there. But I want this. What should that be? If this is centered and that's 12 inches, then 3.5 divided by 2. Right? I mean, that... we don't want the center to be like, that would be 6 inches. So we want to be 6 inches minus half the width of this thing, which 35 divided by 2 is like what, 17 and a half? Why did I do 35? Oh, because 3.5, so 1.75. So we want, right? 1.75? Yeah, that would give you 3.5. So we want 6 minus 1.75. Boom. All right. That's what I want. Cool. All right, all right. That does that piece. And then, yeah, I suck at this. I suck at the controls. I accept this. Front. Okay. Yeah. All right, then I'm going to add another piece. We want to add another one of the long pieces. Okay. And then do another joint. Here we're going to do this and this. Right? And here we want to go, what do you want to do? So that's like 5, no, 6. Should be the same thing, right? 6 minus 1.75. Yep. Cool, 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 cool. Name. And so then now at this stage, just rinse and repeat. Insert. Rinse and repeat. Symbol. Nope, that was wrong. That's not what we want. We want this and this. There we go. And then we want to do this and do 6 minus 1.75. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we need one more piece. One more piece. One more piece. One more piece. We want one more long piece. Okay. I just move it down like that so that it's not overlapping. It's like a little easier to select like in the scene. No real reason other than that. Alright, I'm gonna do that. Nope. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. Cancel. Wait, was that right? Yeah, that was right. Right. Is that right? That looks, I don't know why it's throwing me off. Alright, yep. I should just remember what this, like, what is it? 6 minus 1.75, that's 4.25. Yay. Alright. Cool. And then, that doesn't really show us what it's supposed to look like, so we wanted to do another joint, and we want to do, like, I don't remember what I had to do on the last one. Something like, this guy and this guy. Yeah, that works. No, that didn't work. Nope. Cancel. Maybe what I wanted to do was, I had figured out some way of getting this to look the way I wanted. Uh, Origin. Don't know what that. I don't know what that is. And didn't I have some way? Like I need to. That's not what I want. Hmm. 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 I don't know what I'm doing. Should be easier to do what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to like set the initial orientation of that first part. I wonder if I like replay this, go all the way back to here to the first one, right? Property. What does that do? Nope. So if I do like joint, this is like a way easier way to. Hmm. Hmm. Cancel. That's not what I want. Move. Hmm. Can I do that? Can I be like 45? Is that what I want? And then can I do? No, that didn't do what I wanted. That didn't do what I wanted. Cancel. Hmm. Okay, so I don't know what I was doing there, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do. I do like this. What happens if I do? What if I do move copy date? Rotate axis. What can I choose as an axis? Huh. Uh, boo. Hmm. I don't understand what these controls are doing. All I want to do is rotate a thing, and I am not seeing how to do it, which is kind of annoying. I have figured out how to do it at one point, and I don't remember how. Let's try some. No. What did I do to rotate this thing? All this stuff 45 degrees down. Um. wonder why I can't. What is happening? What is happening? Oh, I wasn't clicking the right thing. Typical. Why, if I say that I want to. Okay. I thought I had already done this. I have no idea why it's working this time. Okay. I could have sworn I already tried doing that and it didn't work. But now it did. Alright. So let's hide the joints. Go through these guys and hide some origins. So we're not looking at that. There's probably a command to like hide all origins, but I don't know what that command is. Alright. And then I had gone into these things, and you can go on the body and do appearance. And I just picked, like, I think cherry. Just give it. Oh, you have to drag and drop it on there. Cool. And then same thing for this guy. Cherry. Boop. Cool. Okay, okay, okay. And then yay. Alright. Get latest version. What should I do? Get latest version. Sure, there's like an automatic way to do that too, but I don't know what it is, and I'm not going to find it right now. Okay, there we go. So there's slight difference. This one, in order to be 12 inches this way and 12 inches this way, this one ends up having to have this short section in here. So it's like a little bit different appearance-wise than this one. Oh, wrong. Oh, yeah. A little bit different appearance. And probably easier to make. Probably easier to make. Not this one. This one is easier to make. Because you're just doing those dowels. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. Like, I think this will be what I actually make. So then the question is, like, how do you do those dowels? And that will require some Googling. I want to check out some of these guys. Like, let's try Jeff the Fuel. Jeff the Fool. I never heard of that. Jeff the Fool. Russian doll? Russian dolls? Alright. Let's try it. Cool. Alright. So yeah, so to do the dowel, jib, jig. Alright. This is cool. It has a little bit heavy bass. I don't know why when I'm working on things it's hard to hear like that really heavy bass. Doweling. Should probably browse this in like a incognito window. So there's all these different kinds of jigs. Something like this seems cool, but not if like you don't want to use like I guess if you had this, let's take a look. You don't. Can I not go? It's like taking super long to load. When I first looked at this, I was like, oh, I don't want to use that because I want a longer, like I want a bigger distance. But I guess you're not limited to that. You could just be like drill one and then slide and then drill the other. And this does seem like a nice kind of like convenient thing to use, and you can clamp it on there. Hmm. What is this? That looks pretty beast. Kind of like the look of that. How much is that? It's 56. Wonder what you need that for. Like, what is? Oh, I get it. So you can clamp both things, and then you can drill the hole here, here. Like, I don't really want to zoom. So you can drill a hole here, here, and then go down here, here, and those are probably the things that are gonna butt together. I think. Okay, so you can kind of like get more done at once. Hey, that's kind of neat. Is that only for Menards? No, it is not. Does Home Depot have it? 56 bucks? Wait, I thought I was in incognito mode. Do I have to like... Eh. Alright, well, just doing a little doxing on myself, no big deal. Alright, they can deliver it. What about Amazon? I don't know if I want to open Amazon. See all the stuff I've been looking at on Amazon. Oh, no. Okay. 56 bucks. Get it by Monday. Home Depot is a better deal. Let's see. Milescraft Joint Pro. See if there's anything on YouTube about that. Alright. We're stopping that. Because we're going to look at... What was that called? The Milescraft. What? Can't even remember what it was called. Joint Pro. Let's see if we got this in action. Oh, we got a 7 minutes worth of it in action. 4 months ago. Let's let's see what this gentle sir has to say about it. Sup, dude? You don't have audio. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna add desktop audio. Too bad. You don't have it. I don't remember what I did. I deleted desktop audio as a source. Close. Too bad. You don't get audio. Let's go faster. Unboxing. Looks like a pretty cool tool. Alright, so you can... Yeah, you said you're drilling both sets of holes at the same time, which is kind of what I thought. Yeah. That's tight. That's the one I want. That's the one I want. Alright. I'm going to go order that, but on a different screen. Free ship to store. Or free delivery. I think I'll go with free delivery, kind gentle sir. View cart. I can get it by Friday. Tight. Damn, I need my wallet. Smoke break. I didn't actually have to go get my wallet. I already had it. So I got a cookie instead. Cool. So I got that coming. Got a cool video on how to use that. Cool. Alright. So then I'll just do dowels. Dowel, 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 dowels. Then I got my hooks coming from Amazon. Should be pretty straightforward. Cool. So now the question is, do I start designing the other thing I want to make? Or do I start programming? Or do I play some games? Do I stream how bad I am at games? It's a little late to start programming. It's never too late to start programming. Alright. The other thing I want to make in Fusion is a shelf. Oh yeah, that's on audio. You get to listen to that. Muting it. Alright, the other thing I'm going to do is make a shelf. So I have to start with some completely different pieces of wood. And I don't know what size they are. So I'm going to go look that up. I'm going to do that in an incognito window. Alright. I just need to look up what the nominal, or what the actual size is versus the nominal size. Audio again. Audio check. Let's see. 1x6. I think that was something. But that's like for some kind of plank. Oh. I just saw it and then it page loaded and it went away. I want this. Cedar boards. 1x6. 1x4. Here we go. Oh, why is that so expensive? It's like a huge pack. I don't want that. I want like a 1x6 and a 1x8. So those are probably going to be like 5.5, and 7.5 actual size versus nominal. But I just wanted to confirm that before I decided that. But I can always change that later. So I'm going to start with some boards. So turn on the origins. And then start with a sketch. Starting with a rectangle. Just do like one of the profiles. Add some dimensions. It's like 0.75. So it's like 1x8 or something, but the actual size is going to be 0.75, and then I'm guessing probably this will be 7.5 instead of actually 8. Finish that sketch, and then extrude. And I think I'm going to make this shelf like 4 foot, so 48 inches. Yeah. See? Oops. I gotta start another project. What's that? That's the top board. And new project. Save. There we go. Save. Gonna finish my cookie. Alright, then we got another board. Oh, document limit has been reached. Oh, I gotta close some editable documents. Oh. Well, that's annoying. Since I have the free version, there's a limit here. And I guess I have to go and make some of these. I'll make some of it, like, I'm not using that one anymore. Make it read only. I don't think I need this one. Alright, so that should take care of me for a minute. Top board. Alright, we got this. Alright, and this one. Kind of like a lot of repeating yourself, doing the same thing kind of over and over here. So this one, same profile. But this one I want 6, so like 5.5. Okay. And, oops, we'll extrude that. 48. Cool. Alright. Backboard. Alright. And let's make this read only. Let's make test me read only, because I'm not going to use that. And I don't even, yeah, that I'm not going back to for a while, so. Cool. To be honest, these can be. Anything I'm not modifying right now can be read only. So that way I have plenty of space. Okay. And then, so what I want to do is now do a new design to do the assembly part. This will be like the shelf. The shelf. Yeah. Okay, turn on our origins. And we want to insert the backboard. Insert into the drawing. Cool. And I'm actually going to rotate this 90 degrees. Boom. We want to move this. Cancel. And move. Want to be like. Is there a way to cancel. Is there a way to do this? I want to say boop, boop, zoop, bingo. Okay. Actually, okay, yep. I just had a design idea that I can't remember what I had decided on. I think this is what I want though. Alright, and then we will do the top board. Okay. Then we want to do a joint. And this one, I want to do this face on this face. Okay, but then we want to do 0 there. Okay. And then we want to do needs to be lined up there. So where we at? We're at center. So that's 7.5. Right. So it needs to be 7.5. 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. 3.75. Nope, too far. Did I make that calculation right? I made this length 7.5. Time for a calculator. It's not that complicated, but helps to calculate out. So I want to do like 7.5 divided by 2, so 3.75. But then half the width of the board minus, which is going to be like 1.75. Yeah, 0.7. No, it's going to be 0.75 divided by 2. So yeah. So 3 and 3/8. 3.375. Gotta modify this one. Edit joint line. This we want to modify this. We want to be. There we go. Boom. 3.375. So it has to be half the width of that board minus half the width, half the whatever you want to call this width, and then half of this width here. Cool. That's a shelf. No, there's more things I want to do. For example, yeah, there's more things I want to do with this. Gotta edit this. So I actually want to make this. So that's. I want to make the offset in the Z 2. How was I planning on doing this? Just drop something. Oh yeah. Let's see, 8. So that's 8 inches or 7.5 inches. And this is 7.5 inches. So if I do like, I have to keep in mind like, well, what dimensions of wood are available. But if I do something like 10 inches, I need another board. If I do great sketch, lots of making boards. Wonder if there's like a way to hook this up to a spreadsheet. So like instead of typing in this data here all the time, you can just link it to like a cell in a spreadsheet. I mean, I'm sure in some other software that's possible. Might be beyond the scope of something like this. This is gonna be 7.5. Yeah. Oh, no, that's not one. 7.5. There we go. Finish sketch. Let's see. Let's say like 9. Let's say 10. All right. And then if we go, okay, this one. Okay, I expect to be able to make like multiple edits to that, but that has not worked once. Right, so on this, that should be that should be gotta get my calculator. It's like 48 divided by 2 is 24, but then half the width, so it's like this needs to be minus 24.375. Yep. No, that was not it. Which surprises. Joint. Edit joint? Wait. Oh, I haven't made a joint yet. Okay. Joint. And I need this guy to be here. How do I want to join that? I guess with this one. Okay, that doesn't totally make sense there. So I gotta move this guy down. What was it? I want it to be. I actually was going the wrong way with it. I want the bottoms to be flush. So edit joint. So I actually want it. It's kind of annoying. Wish there was a way to like just set the dimension that you want. So like from the halfway point there, let's see, that's should be 7.5 to the top. So that's like 7.37, 7.5 to the top. Mine 7.5 minus 0.375. 7.125. That's 7. So I think from the halfway point to the bottom is 7.125. Ooh, you can measure. Yeah, what the fuck? I obviously have no idea what I'm doing here. Edit joint. What am I trying to do? Oh, because it's only to the center here. Okay, so yeah, that's right. It's only to the center here. So from here to here is 5. So nice. Minus 0.375 plus 0.375. There we go. 0.375 is half the thickness of the wood. So, all right, there we go. But now I just did the exact opposite thing that I said I wanted to do. But I should be able to just do this. There we go. Not quite. I'm doing a bad job of calculating this on the fly. So that's a little bit. I'm just, instead of calculating it on the fly, I am iterating to it on the fly. There we go. It's hard to keep track of half widths and stuff like that. I think it needs to be more than 10 inches there. Maybe it needs to be 12. This maybe needs to be bigger than 10 inches. So we can do that. We can go down here. Edit that. 12. Easy enough to change that out. Save. Hmm. I don't, I don't know what I'm thinking here. Edit. I shouldn't, I think I shouldn't have had to. I don't know why I had to change that, but I'm sure it makes sense if I could think about it clearly. And then I need to add that guy. I need to add that same thing over here on this side. Not sure how I feel about this back just being empty here. But let's go ahead and add another. Let's add this side brace again. This time. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, this one's going the opposite way. Opposite sign of everything. Okay. Cool. Okay, then the other thing I think I would do, which is probably gonna, I could probably do it in here actually. There's some kind of taper on these, but I'm not totally sure. And with this being 4 foot, it might need like a little bit of support in the middle. Like 4 foot is pretty long. So depending on how much weight is going up here, might start sagging. It might start sagging and kind of need some support in the middle. So I don't really know what kind of taper to add. Cheery, not a wood. Looks more like a bench than a shelf like that. Hmm. Doing like doing like a taper like that would look too triangular. I wonder if just chamfering it might look cool. Not overly keen on this design. Wonder like if this was chamfered, but that wasn't. Hmm. Could do like something rounded, but like. But I don't know about that. Well, it's probably a good stopping point. Because I had to think about. I have to think about some things. But if this is 12 inches, and I've got like 5 inches there, that's probably not what. I actually don't think that's what I want. Like, from here to here. 3.75? That's not too bad. That's not actually too bad. 3.75, so almost 4 inches. It's maybe like a little bit much. But mostly I don't know what to do with these big boxes out here. Like, I think I would almost prefer... If it was just like a strip would... Strip wouldn't look good because it wouldn't give it any support back there. But I wonder if it was like more like it's just a triangle. Like, like made it just a triangle. So from here to here, from here to here, 7.5. Makes sense. That's the way we designed it. So like if I go back to that sideboard, the trick is I don't know how it's, well I do because there's the origin. So the origin is over here. Okay, so I kind of want to like cut off this way. Go straight up from the origin and cut back. Okay, so there we go. Almost. Nope. Doesn't really like let you choose too much. So straight up from the origin, cut back. Right? Go straight up from the origin. Cut to the corner that's opposite of it. Alright. So if I do something like this. Oh. Gotta set the dimensions. So like from here to here, I want that to be like 0.75. And then for this length, I want that to be 7.5. Okay, finish. And then do an extrude. Select the profile. Bloop. Why can't I select that? There we go. I'm gonna go all the way through. Okay, then go to the shelf. Yeah, so I would have to make unique pieces that. I wonder if I just made that like short. So like 1 inch. So let's from here go 7.5 and then an inch. Okay, so we'll do another. This time we can do a rectangle. Just be like. And we just from here to here. I know that I want to be 0.75. That's the only dimension I actually care about on here because I was able to anchor it to that corner. So then I want to do an extrude. I want it to be cut. Oh, you gotta pick it over there. Oh, I'll never get used to that. I want to be able to pick it from over there, and I don't know why. Oh wait. Okay, that was what I wanted, but uh, I was wrong about what I said. I want that to be like one extra inch past that, like let's say 1. Okay. Okay. Save that. update. Okay. Now I have to fix that joint. Let's see. It took like so like one. If we do one. Oh, let's see if I do 0, 0. That doesn't do any. 2. Nope. -2. That's 3. I don't know why that changed actually. I just want that. Yeah, I actually kind of like the little extra down there. Uh, there we go. I may revisit that, but for now I need that to line up right there. I actually like that a lot better. Hmm. Hmm. Kind of like that. And like then like round that or add a chamfer. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna stick with that for now. What could also be cool is like if there was a bit of a cutout here. I don't know exactly where. But like instead of just a solid chunk of wood, if there was a cutout, like maybe if an inch, make the dimension an inch here. Cool. Alright, well I'm gonna put this in design review. But I think that's gonna call it a night at that. Alright. Do a quick internet break. Let's go check Twitter real quick and then we'll sign out. Oh, that's the wrong thing. No more incognito branches. Am I still incognito? New window. There we go. Twitter. I've never seen a more perfect map. Yeah, it's just Florida. Not a big fan. Got some Neuralink in the news. Ooh, Folio Society. I gotta remember to go check that out for Christmas. Hmm. Nothing new. Alright. Gonna call it a day. Bye.